I don't do things when you tell me to do things. I don't know what the fuck you think this is.
Okay, now, but what kind of situation do you think you'd be in if I hadn't played any?
Much better situation.
All right, D, I need you to not put yourself so far over me. Like,
You asked me a question. I'm answering the question with what you would ask.
but but in such a condescending way.
That's not
Let's split up.
condescending. I answered the
Okay.
question.
Come on.
Okay. I'll
Stop
go check over there.
fooling me, Billy.
Yeah, no, yeah, yeah.
I know which one I want.
Don't do it backwards. You did
I am gonna go backwards.
D2. Aw, D2.
You did it backwards earlier, and it worked. I'm the backwards man, the backwards man. You answer backwards better than you can, because I'm the backwards man.
Sure is nice watching a real professional work.
No, that was condescending.
This way.
Okay.
He's the one who's being a dick to me.
You asked
Just
me a
because
question,
I'm
I
not
answered
the greatest Resident Evil player.
let me ask you something. When you ask me a question, do you want me to not answer it honestly, or would you
said that
rather
I
me
was before I asked that question, you said I was colossally fucking up this run.
I know the run is colossally fucked.
You literally said the fact that you got through 7 and 9 hours and you're colossally fucking up this run.
Yeah. Can you explain how you were able to get through that in that amount of time and this, like, it's completely different?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm waiting.
Yeah,
Hmm? Oh, we got a half hour, I'll wait.
I took it more seriously?
Oh.
Oh, it's on the
Oh,
fucking
did
desk.
he?
Nate, you stupid shithead. It's literally on the desk.
Yeah. I know where it is. Let's see, we got fucking
That's the shape they're in now, isn't it? Oh.
No, it's backwards, I think.
Oh.
See, the chess pieces are like where they are at the edge of the desk, like pointing towards us. We need to move
No, I
them
think
up into the other
king and
area.
the rook in the top right are just different from where they are now. I think you just have to move the king.
Ooh, bitch.
Get out the way. Yeah, the king has to be moved. That's all. How do you move it to the right, though?
Oh, I'm taking a look where to move it.
To checkmate the black king. I think you could just move the king up. You do have to move.
Move, bitch. Go fucking hide in the corner where you belong. In the corner.
I'll go alone.
Okay.
Go out the fucking window.
Don't move the rook. Just move the king. Do not move the rook.
I gotta fucking move it there anyways. Wings.
Sick dick, bro. Sick dick. You should go grab that first aid kit at the expense of a lot of shots.
You shut your mouth.
Like, Billy is in danger.
Shut your mouth. It wouldn't be in danger if it wouldn't have been for you.
I-
Fucking centipede.
You're still salty about this centipede.
Yeah. The moment you just own up and be like, alright, I left myself get hit by the centipede a couple of times just to like bring you down a peg or two.
Okay.
Is the time I will drop
Okay,
it.
the first few times I didn't, but once you pointed out that I was doing it, I did it one time because you were like, you're just doing that on purpose. So then I did it on purpose one time. But up until that point, it was literal accidents.
How? No.
Yeah, I'm literally just that bad. Because I'm not taking it that seriously, I guess. That's only one
Why
wing.
are you not taking that seriously? Yeah, that's already got
Yeah,
another
but you
one.
said wings. You got the book and you said wings.
Oh?
Don't forget Rebecca.
Is,
Don't
is
forget
that what
Rebecca.
you're resorting
Don't
to
forget
now?
Also the
Is that what
incendiary
you're?
rounds.
Is that what you're? No, fuck you. You come back and get this shit.
You need Rebecca and the incendiary rounds? He's gonna grab what's important. The ink ribbon. That's it. And then walk out. Is that what you're resorting to now?
Ooh, he said something plural instead of singular. Oh. When in doubt, the personal attacks begin.
I'm not bad at this game.
That
You don't
is
know
the
how to say
motto.
plural or not plural.
I'd rather not be. I'd rather say something plural when I meant singular than not be bad at this game.
Damn it. Oh, she's gonna waste all those shots.
Yeah, whatever Rebecca does with those rounds is all between you and her. She probably won't do anything anyways. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't understand. Grenade what? Launcher who? That's literally how much I hate her. I just don't want her to be around.
But Rebecca. Why do you even hate Rebecca?
This way.
Roger.
Because she's so weak, man.
Billy's a
like a
dick.
little shit turd. Yeah, but at least he can take a hit.
You're not wrong. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Oh, jeez. This is gonna get messy.
Nice.
Yeah, that's fair. I deserve that.
Oh, bitch! Ah. Much better. What is this? Yes, don't mind if I do. Nate's like, what? Nate's like, what? What do you mean? What do you mean I can put that in there?
But what does it do?
I don't know. Why are you asking me? I don't know. It looks like everything you need to get high.
Oh. Sick.
Ah.
Is there one that heals? That's what we need.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't need heals. I'm fine. I don't need heals.
You know I'm just gonna start playing as Billy, right?
Yeah, I know. I fully know that's what's gonna do, so I'm gonna go get him fucked before I pass you the controller back.
Well, why though?
So you know what
Why
it goes
can't you? I don't want to talk about it.
I don't need to go in there yet. Can we go in here?
This is the chess room.
Yeah! Like it. I'm gonna leave Rebecca in here and I'll move this chess piece so she dies of poisoning before I pass you the controller. Perfect.
You are single-handedly
No,
ruining this run.
I'll do it to Billy. I'm not real. Alright, first off, I'm keeping it entertaining. Second of all, I would literally stop the moment you stop. Like,
I'm not trying to though.
me doing what I'm doing is literally a direct byproduct of your actions.
Just go outside. Leave the fucking mansion. I'm done.
Now, of course you're done. You just run away from your problem.
I'm done. Get me out of here.
Of course. We're done when you say we're done. Got control problems, bro.
Controller problems.
Yes, I will take that. You back up. Fucking hate you. Look at you, weak and pathetic, and you're holding your ovary. Wait, no, your ovaries are like back there, right? Like right.
That's her foot.
Right
That's her
there.
thigh.
Shut up, Nate, before I blow your fucking head off.
Yeah, you're done. It's a nice looking wing.
Wings. Yeah, balance.
Bum bum bum.
Whoa.
Out to the courtyard.
Fuck that, we got other room to explore.
We got bigger fish to fry. No, go in there. There's nothing in there.
Oh, I know where I know where we don't need to go, but I know where I want to go.
Outside?
No, maybe, I don't know, it might lead outside somewhere. Go on, get down there. Let's go right ahead and mid-game save this. Wait a minute, what do you... Oh yeah, the mule has it. Good mule.
Just press triangle.
Aww. What? No, I hit square for a reason. I low-key wanted to see the rest of her inventory.
Make sure she didn't have anything really important for when she dies.
Oh, she's not gonna die. I'm not gonna let her die.
Severely maimed.
I'm gonna get her to the point where she's going to die, and then I'm gonna let you finish it off. That's pretty much my intent. I don't want to go there. I do want to go back to where all this trolling began.
You just go up the right staircase.
Because I wanted to do it the way I wanted to do it. For the same reason
Well,
why
that doesn't
you
sound
would have
good.
went up the stairs. Oh, I didn't hear that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair.
Teamwork, motherfucker. That's how it's done.
Those are some sick plays, bruh.
No. Where is this room? How many shells did Billy use? 2? All of them.
We are so
Hmm.
boned right now.
Got an idea. I have an idea. Alright. I'm good.
Uh-huh. Oh, I'm losing it.
Yeah. Everything is gonna be just fine.
What can 26 handgun ammo accomplish in Resident Evil?
A lot if you don't use it.
Wow, that was kind of deep.
Ooh, we move stuff. Come on.
That's nice.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah. About that.
Stop.
I'll go alone.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here. Oh, quick. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. More exploration. Hmm. Mm-hmm. What?
Obedience.
Alright.
Unity. Power.
Oh then.
Well, it's not until later that happens.
Alright then. Alright. Now. I think it's just that one room now, yeah?
Come on.
Roger.
That one that you were talking about. Right? Was there another one somewhere?
Nah, just them 3.
Come on, Rebecca. We'll fucking find you a plant somewhere. Jesus. We just gotta make sure Billy's healthy. Because if he can't take any more hits, we know you can't take one.
She's been hurting for a while now.
Oh yeah, we can also go down there. I'll let you discover.
No,
that shit.
I would rather not. You should do that.
I would rather you did. I'm just gonna go and check out the areas that they wanted locked behind statues with metallic swords.
Uh-huh.
Um. 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 Which? Oh. All right.
But how do you get to it?
All right. Oh, okay. All right. Dead end. All right. Cool. I'm okay with this. I don't like feeling exposed. It's like playing the fucking Destiny beta in Control.
That's right.
What's this? Battery. All right. 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 What the fuck is this camera angle? What the? All right. All right. Um. Uh. Hey, so how much time do I have left?
About 20 minutes.
Oh, bullshit. I've been playing longer than 10 minutes, fam.
You have 10 minutes.
Alright, so I'm just gonna, like, explore this outside area for 10 more minutes.
Nope. Nope. You gotta get me halfway into that outside bullshit in the back and then fucking pass it off at the most inopportune time.
That's a good point. Let's go. We have no fear, for we are these nuts.
That's fair. Oh.
Plenty of fear to be had now.
I think
Hey Nate, so you saw what that
Yeah, no,
was,
I
right?
I saw it.
What do you want to take the controller now?
In 8 more minutes.
Are you sure there's not another one of those fucking doors somewhere? For some reason I feel like
There's
there
only
is
3.
one.
There's only one way to go.
I'll go alone.
Why don't you just take the
Okay.
grenade launcher, the incendiary rounds?
Because I might need them. Stupid spider. Stupid
How are you
spider.
so good at that?
What? What do you mean?
Dodging.
Because I literally spent my childhood playing Resident Evil. Oh. Deceased, disposed, complete. Ooh. Preserve the specimen. Savage C. Transport it to research facility. I wonder what that's all about. Oh, look. There's a trend. Look at this. Like, look at the fails, and then look, they started, like, being, like,
Yeah, they stopped failing.
they started getting progress.
Oh, Terrence.
Oh, and then they started failing
Oh,
again.
Jerry.
Kate A. transported the Arkley lab. So that's somewhere here. Oh, I wonder if that's that little girl's mom. On the next game. Carrie T. I wonder if that's the daughter. Interesting. Oh! Rebecca, I found you weed. Found Rebecca some weed. Perfect. So we found some weed for Rebecca. We got a typewriter. I'm gonna go ahead and Should I do Nate a favor and just bring him through the spider area?
What's in that door there?
I don't know. Probably monkeys.
I don't fuck with monkeys, bro. They throw their own shit.
Yeah, this is definitely monkey territory. I don't really want to continue until I save, honestly.
Monkeys here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go save real quick.
We're actually in a not terrible spot right now, so.
Still gonna save. I'm gonna save before I bring you down here, though.
And then I gotta take on the monkeys.
Or would you like?
No, no, no.
Well, there might be monkeys. There might be monkeys. It just looks like that's the monkey area. In which case, I have to get. Or you character, Rebecca has to get down here. So one way or the other.
One way or the
Problem is, Rebecca can't. Fuck you, spider. Stupid camera angle. Stupid camera angle.
Why are those spiders so realistic looking?
Better graphics engine. How fucked is this dumb bitch? Probably because she didn't get poisoned. Should we wait for a red plant too? It's your ass, Cochise, not mine. Could heal up some now so you can take at least a hit, or we could wait for a red plant and you can be full health.
I don't remember where the next red plant is. The last one is up by the birds, but that's gonna probably involve getting hurt on the way there for me. So might as well just fucking use it.
Alright, well you're here. And regardless, it's safe. Okay, I'm gonna go explore a little bit before.
Yeah, you got 2 minutes left.
What the? Alright, let's go see if we're dealing with monkeys. We're slowly bringing it back. Oh, that's cool shit. You can see her right there.
Can you control her with the right stick from there?
No.
That's fair.
Yeah, this is definitely monkey area. Yup.
Ooh, feeling real good about this next part, that's for sure.
I'm almost there.
I'm glad I could be of service.
That's what all these
Time to go
bitches say.
inside.
Oh.
Iron Maidens. Yeah, this is a pretty good area for some better shit. Ladies and gentlemen, a power supply control panel. was way too much.
And you're done.